So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna and in today's video I'm going to talk about my 4 favorite palettes from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to give you a very honest review on those palettes and I'm going to show you the swatches. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first palette from Makeup Revolution which I'm going to show you is this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Marvelous. सो एक्चुअली ये पैलेट जो है इसमें सारे रेनबो कलर्स हैं एक्चुअली, एंड ट्राइड सम ऑफ दीज कलर्स. बेसिकली आई ट्राइड दिस कलर एंड ट्राइड दिस पिंक कलर. तो बात करते हैं सबसे पहले इस पैलेट की पिगमेंटेशन की. मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन में आपको पिगमेंटेशन की प्रॉब्लम कभी नहीं हो सकती है, किसी भी पैलेट में नहीं हो सकती है. ये मुझे पता चल चुका है. एक्चुअली मैंने जो फर्स्ट वाला पैलेट यूज़ करा था वो मुझे गिफ्ट मिला था मेरे एक फ्रेंड की तरफ से, बट जो बाकी के पैलेट्स मैंने परचेज़ करे हैं मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन से उनसे सेम मुझे पिगमेंटेशन मिलती है. वही एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन बढ़ता जाता है. मुझे और अच्छा लगता है मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन के पैलेट यूज़ करना. अब मैं इस पैलेट की आपको एटलीस्ट 3 स्वॉचेस करके दिखाती हूँ. 1 मीडियम, 1 डार्क एंड 1 लाइट. 1 डार्क विल बी दिस, मीडियम 1 विल बी द ऑरेंज वन. Okay, and the lightest shade in this palette, I guess it's white and this and a blue, but I'm going to use the yellow. These will be my swatches. First one is the dark one, the red one. Second one is the orange one. Third one is the yellow one. As you can see, they are so pigmented. Can you see the lightest shade of this palette? Okay, I'm going to take the lightest shade, which will be the white one. I will try to give you the patch test for this one also. It's highly pigmented, as you can see. See, it is so pigmented. I love Makeup Revolution palettes. The second best palette I have ever used in my life is from Makeup Revolution. This palette is so amazing and I bought this from Myntra. Recently Myntra was having a sale and in that sale I bought 2 palettes. One is this and one is this one. ये कॉम्बोज में लिए एंड मुझे सेल पे अच्छे डिस्काउंट में मिल गए. मेरे को लगा सेल की चीज़ है, ख़राब ना आए, टूटी फूटी ना हो, बट मेरे पास बहुत अच्छे से आए थे. ये बहुत अच्छा पैलेट है. अगर आपके पास कलरफुल शेड्स का कोई पैलेट नहीं है, सारे न्यूट्रल है या फिर सारे डार्क टोन में है स्मोकी आइज के लिए, तो आप इस पैलेट को परचेज ज़रूर करिएगा. इसमें बहुत कलरफुल शेड्स हैं. इसमें टोटल 15 शेड्स आते हैं. इवन दो आई ट्राई टू डू अ रेनबो आई शैडो लुक वेरी सून ऑन माई Instagram handle. So this was my review about this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Matte Palette. I would highly recommend to those people who are into colors, who want something which has very pop-up colors, like it has dark, it has light, it has all the rainbow colors actually, and this is an amazing palette. So the second palette which I was talking about, which I bought in combo, is this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Hypnotic Palette. Okay, this palette, I have used this palette like twice or thrice. Today I have done this look by using this palette only and it has turned out very amazing. And I am loving this palette. It has all the metallic shades. I guess it has rose gold, silver and a lot of metallic shades. And it is very amazing. I love the metallic shades in this palette. This is such an amazing palette. I have used this today. I have created this look and I have also showed how to create this look on my Instagram handle. I would like to show the swatches of this palette first of all. I'll show you the 3 swatches again. One will be metallic, one will be light and one will be the darkest one in this palette. So metallic one, how about this grey one? Okay, I'm going to take this. Then the second shade which I'm going to take will be the lightest shade, which will be this skinny one. The darkest shade of this palette would be this and this, but this is black, so I'm going to take this dark brown. Okay. This is the silver one, silver metallic. Can you see the metallic shade? This is so amazing. This is the skinny one, lightest shade. Alright, and this is the darkest shade. As you can see, These are the 3 shades which I have shown you from the Loaded Hypnotic palette from Makeup Revolution. This palette is such an amazing palette. I can create so many looks from using this palette only. It has a lot of metallic shades and some neutral shades which you can use to create some smoky eye or some wedding party look. I bought these palette combo and it was like 950 rupees on Myntra. The sale was going on. Myntra has a lot of sales going on. You can buy a lot of makeup products from Myntra. It is a very trustworthy site for makeup also, and I would highly recommend this to each and every makeup lover out there. My third palette which I bought from Myntra, again this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave. This palette has 30 shades in it. I was looking for this palette for so long actually. I saw this palette on Nykaa. It was on a very bit pricey side. It was like 1900, and I got this palette from Myntra around 1000. And I was like, oh my god, that is a very big discount and I need to buy this palette. Now I would like to show you how this palette looks. It has one big mirror which I love about Makeup Revolution. Then there are the names written on this plastic paper. After that you get a brush in this palette. Okay, you just need this palette and you have everything in one palette. Now I would like to show you the swatches of this palette. Okay, I'm gonna show you this brown, pink, maybe this white one. This is metallic, very beautiful. This palette is such an amazing palette. Okay, this is the pink one, this is the golden metallic. Can you see the pigmentation? This is the blue metallic, and this is the white metallic. It has such a great pigmentation. I cannot explain the pigmentation level of each and every palette from Makeup Revolution which I buy. I just fell in love with Makeup Revolution when I got the first palette from my friend, and I was like, I need to buy more and more palettes from Makeup Revolution, and I need to tell other people that if you want to invest in some good palettes, and if you don't have budgets like Jaclyn Hill or for Anastasia or for Huda Beauty, then you can buy these palettes also. These palettes are so amazing. These palettes come in such an amazing discount. Can you believe this palette is actually around 1900 and I got this palette around 1000 or 1100 bucks on Myntra, and I was so happy that I bought this palette. Now I'm like, I have so many palettes, I don't need any other palettes now. The cons about this palette, that I didn't like this brush actually. It is very harsh on your eyes. It didn't help me to blend my eyeshadow. One more thing which I don't like about Makeup Revolution, that they shouldn't be having these kind of a plastic paper. Very irritating actually. I hate these kind of papers which has name written on it. I like that if the name is written right down here, or if the name is written like on the back side. I love that also, but I don't like these kind of papers. We have to like keep it very safely, because we need to know the names of this palette, that which shade we are using. So I don't like this thing about the Makeup Revolution actually. When it comes to pigmentation, I love this palette actually. I just love this palette. I bought this palette again from Myntra, and I would highly recommend this, that if you want a palette which has all the shades in it except the rainbow shades, then this palette is an amazing palette for you guys. You should buy this palette. You should invest in this palette, because this is such an amazing palette. Now, the last palette which I got from one of my friends is this Makeup Revolution Flawless 3 Resurrection, and it also includes a mirror inside this palette. I don't like about this palette, this has all the neutral shades and all the smoky eye shades, but it has some metallic shade which actually makes me look like all the shades are same. Okay, I'm gonna swatch them. They are different when I swatch them. Like when I apply them on my eyes, on my inner corners, they make me feel that they all are same. Okay, I'm gonna show you some metallic shades, and I'm gonna show you the darkest shades and lightest shades of this palette. So the metallic shades which I'm gonna try is this. Also, I have used this palette and created a lot of looks on my Instagram handle, so you can check out there. The darkest shades which I will show you, this lightest shade will be this. The first one is the metallic one, second one is again metallic, third one is the darkest, fourth one is also the darkest, and fifth one is the lightest. Can you see the difference between these two? I don't see any difference. Like, it has a little bit of difference, but I don't see very vast difference. Okay, it makes me feel that they both are same. Now, when I am talking about this palette, I love this palette. I've created a lot of looks using only this palette. One thing which I don't like about this palette is just these metallic shades. They all look same when I apply them on my eyes, and I don't like it. Okay, but other than that, the light shades are also good. They pop up very beautifully on your eyes, on your inner corners, and the darkest shades are also amazing. They blend so easily. They doesn't make any kind of harsh lines onto your ends, which is an amazing thing. Although when I use my other palettes, I need to remove some excess from my makeup brush before applying it on my eyes, so that I don't have any kind of fallout. But while applying this palette or any other Makeup Revolution palette, I never remove the excess, because I guess it doesn't have any kind of a fallout that which will make my makeup look more worse. When it comes to pigmentation, I love these palettes. Actually, I would highly recommend this palette to each and every makeup lover out there. I would just tell you guys that please close your eyes and buy this palette. Also, I would recommend you to buy these palettes from Myntra, actually, from Nykaa or from Amazon. Nykaa has sales going on, but it doesn't come that price to this price, like Hypnotic palette and the Marvelous Mates palette in combo. You doesn't get these two palettes in combo there. You doesn't get the 1900 palette into like 1100 there. You get these discounts on Myntra. Also, they have coupons, so you can get more discount, and which I love about Myntra, and I guess I'm gonna keep shopping from Myntra only. All the links will be given down below in the description box for these palettes, so don't forget to check out there. This was all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please do share and comment on this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and put the bell notifications on, so that every time I'll put my another video, you'll get notified. And if you want to know how I create some of my makeup looks, you can follow me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is Sapna2000Prohit. And this was all for today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Until and unless then, bye.